The first step in making quiche is to roll out the pie crust. The one thing you have to take care of is to roll it gently without putting too much of pressure on it. Just flour your counter lightly. Ensure that the dough is not too hard or just out of the refrigerator. It should be pliable enough that you can roll it well. Keep moving it, keep flouring it. It's a perfect crust. If you see, there are no cracks in it, and that's very important. So I'll just put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and after that we will begin with the baking. So preheating the oven at 190 degrees centigrade to bake our quiche. Another very important thing when you're baking the quiche is where you place the rack. The rack has to be at the lowermost slot. In the meantime, let's start with the custard. You require 3 eggs or 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks, a cup of milk and a cup of cream, the idea is just to mix, not to beat it up well, because we don't want that volume of eggs here. To this, I'm going to add the seasoning. I'm adding about a teaspoon of mustard, more the better. Very, very little salt. I'm talking about 1/4 teaspoon here. Give it a stir. My custard is ready. Let's blind bake the crust now. We will dock the pie crust before we put it for blind baking. The idea behind docking is that we don't want the pie crust to puff up. Before we blind bake the pie crust, I'm going to line it with the tin foil. Line it well. Pour some beans, using it as a weight. And now I'm going to put it for baking for about 15 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. Yes, the crust is perfectly baked. Now I'm going to brush the egg yolk all around this hot crust. You can use any kind of cheese. I'm going to use cheddar over here because I like that mature, strong flavor of cheddar. Put as much as you want, a thin layer to thick layer, then the layer of vegetables. Normally in quiche we don't hear this, but I enjoy my quiche with lots of garlic and green chilies in it. I've already made some stirred vegetables. It has got some baby corn, cherry tomatoes and lots of mushroom. Don't pour the custard. Another important thing, it has to be spooned. We don't want the mixture to seep between the crust and the pan. Now it goes inside the oven about 40 to 45 minutes at 190 degrees. The base is perfect, which I'm so happy about. This is exactly how the pie crust should be when it's finally done.